Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that help you look and feel your best without the fluff. Today we're taking a closer look at the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Liner in the shade Mauve. It's a matte pencil designed for all skin types, promising precision and long-lasting wear for your lips. Let's see how it really performs. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Liner comes in a sleek pencil format infused with maracuja oil, a nourishing ingredient known for its hydrating and antioxidant properties. The shade Mauve is a soft, muted pinkish tone that leans toward a natural, everyday look. Being matte, it promises a velvety finish without the slip, and the pencil itself has a smooth texture that allows for controlled application. Using it has been a pretty effortless experience. The pencil glides on with minimal tugging, which is impressive for a matte formula. I tried it on freshly moisturized lips, as well as over a bare surface, and it held its shape without feathering. The pigmentation is consistent. Just one swipe gives a solid color payoff. I paired it with both nude and bolder lipsticks, and it really helps define the lips while enhancing the lipstick's staying power. One thing I loved was how comfortable it felt. Some matte liners can be drying, but the maracuja oil infusion keeps lips soft, even after hours of wear. On the downside, if you're looking for a super intense, deep matte, this might feel a touch lighter compared to some other high pigment liners. It's perfect for natural and everyday looks, but for dramatic lips, layering is necessary. Pros? Smooth application, nourishing formula, versatile shade, and good staying power. Cons? Slightly lighter pigmentation than ultra matte competitors, and it may require a touch-up after eating or drinking. In terms of value, considering the quality of ingredients and overall performance, Tarte delivers a product that feels premium without being over the top. There are cheaper options out there with similar shades, but few combine the smooth glide, comfort, and nourishing qualities in a matte lip liner quite like this one. Compared to other matte lip liners I've tested, Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Liner stands out for its hydrating touch. Many matte liners can leave lips feeling parched, but this one keeps them feeling supple. The packaging is sturdy, with a twist-up design that protects the tip, making it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. If you've tried other Tarte products, you know the brand generally offers reliable support. While I haven't needed to contact customer service for this liner, Tarte's reputation for handling inquiries efficiently gives extra peace of mind. So, here's my verdict. If you're looking for a soft, natural matte lip liner that's easy to apply, comfortable, and subtly hydrating, the Maracuja Juicy Lip Liner in Mauve is an excellent choice. It's well suited to anyone who wants a daily wear liner that pairs beautifully with a variety of lipstick shades. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world and helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this liner in the comments or description box. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you want, I can also craft a punchy, SEO-optimized YouTube description and hashtags specifically for this review to maximize reach. Do you want me to do that next?